Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So we are going to jump right in with this new hair. This hair is synthetic hair. It is from a company called Chade Fashions. This is their synthetic hair in 18 inches and 16 inches. I'll leave the name right here across this video. I will also leave a link to where you can grab this hair online as well. So this hair is really pretty hair. It's yaki hair, and it comes in bundles. The bundles I have is 16 inch and 18 inch. So I did use a spandex cap and I made a full wig using no closure. I did create a circle closure on my own, and in the beginning of this video you saw me flattening the circle closure. When you make your own circle closure, you do need to use a hot tool to go ahead and flatten it down so it does lay flat. And when you do these closures, the best type of wig to make is a bang wig, because then, you know, it's not as easy to see all the tracks and things from your closure. So always when I make a bang wig, it's because I don't have a closure, because this hair does not come with a closure. So yeah, the best way to do it is either leave some leave out, but I don't like to put too much heat on my leave out, so I decided to do a bang unit for this one. And I really do like how it came out. I've never done a ombre bang unit before, but I really think it looks really pretty. This hair does come in several colors. Of course, you could do a natural color like a 1B, 2, but I decided to go with the ombre black down into the 613. This color is so beautiful. I really like it because you guys know I just like to stand out with my hair. I don't like my hair to look like everybody else's. I want people to stop and stare, stop in their tracks. So that's exactly what I do. This hair can withstand heat. It can withstand heat up to, well, I'm not sure what degree it can go up to, but I put it on 350 and I had no problem. This is what the pack looks like. I did use 4 bundles of this hair. I used 2 bundles in the 18 inch and 2 in the 16 inch. So you can see where it's falling on me, and it's giving you a nice bit of length. Like, I really love it. I love how full it is. Of course, you do not need 4 bundles. There is no reason why you would need 4 bundles. I'm just OD with it. I love my hair like super thick. Look at how gorgeous the hair is. The luster is so perfect. It's not super shiny. Look how sleek it is. Even though it's yaki, like I'm running my fingers through it, it's beautiful. Of course, you know, you can expect as the hair gets older, you know, the hair may get a little fluffier, a little thicker, and it may start to tangle a little bit. I can't say for sure, but right now it is absolutely flowing and gorgeous. I love it. I love the texture, the color. I definitely want to play with more colors in this hair. So thank you so much, Chade Fashions, for sending over this hair. I love the way it came out. I think it looks super cute. And yeah, if you guys want to know how you can get some of this hair, I will leave links in the information bar down below. You can also feel free to ask me questions in the comments section. Share this video. Make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.